Hello, my name is Milan Pap. I'm a lecturer in the computer school Maret.
Let's start lesson 001 AutoCAD practice 1. Switch to AutoCAD. Drawing a line option dynamic input practical. First of all, you must press button dynamic input or functional key F12 and from menu draw choose command line and then left click in the drawing area to set first point, and then you must set second point by dynamic input. Let's draw the first line segment. We must set angle 0 degrees by the mouse and then right length 100